Hey, this is Dave Ferreira from Fortified Realty Group, and today we're at a great in-law setup house in Fall River, Mass. Driveway's going in. Look at this. It's going to be very private. All right, it's set back. There's going to be a fence there on the left. Huge parking area. All right. Here we are inside. Look at the kitchen. Very, very nice. Granite's in. Cabinets are in. Stove's going over there. Dishwasher. Look at that nice double sink. Refrigerator here to the left. Brand new deck outside. Very, very nice yard in the back. Big living room. Vaulted ceilings. There's one of the bedrooms upstairs. All right, another bedroom upstairs. Here's the first full bath, the main bathroom upstairs. Here's the master bath, second full bath. All right, master bathroom. All right, it's small, but it works. Nice master bedroom. Here we are downstairs in the private entry for the in-law suite. Huge bedroom down here. Just the way it worked out. Very, very nice. Coming across, utility room and laundry. Here's the third full bath. Look at this. Very nice bathroom. Look at that. No tub. No step, very easy to get in and out. Just a shower, stairs to go up. Here's the kitchen downstairs. Living room is right through here with the walkout underneath the deck. Very, very nice.